Hello, CEO coaches. I am super excited about this month's Done For You bundle. We're going to be talking about personal branding, and this Done For You bundle is all about branding you, your clients, or whoever you want to use this whole thing about branding. It's super important to implement some type of brand strategy in your coaching business to help people get move forward in their career, or just help them have a better presence online and offline. So this Done For You bundle is called Brand You. It's a way to build your personal brand to authentically stand out from the crowd. And who doesn't want that? Because there's so much going on online. There's so much going on out in the world, and you want to be seen. You want to be heard, and you want to make sure you get paid. I love that, right? All right. So let's take a deep dive into this month's Done For You bundle. All right. So let's start with looking at the slides that come with this bundle. As you can see, as normal, this bundle comes with all the content that you need to present your content to your audience, right? So this is your masterclass training. It also can be training that you can use inside of your group coaching program. But this whole entire slide presentation done inside of PowerPoint, which you can easily convert into Google Slides, has 35 slides, which includes everything that you need to say. It includes what to say to introduce yourself. It also leads you into your offer, so you'll know if you have an offer at the end, which I always recommend to have some type of offer, the follow-up with people. All of that is included inside of this slide presentation. Now, you know your girl loves a good old worksheet, and I strongly believe with every presentation that you do, masterclass, there should be a worksheet to help people implement what you have taught them in the masterclass. And this bundle includes a worksheet for you. So as you can see, you have the worksheet with questions that they can ask themselves about building their brand. It's really interactive. They can fill this in. You can also create this as an interactive PDF, so people who don't want to print it out, they can actually fill it out on their computer. But this whole entire worksheet comes in, how many pages is this? I lost how many pages is this? This is probably about 8 pages or more. And you get all of this inside of the Done For You bundle. Awesome. The next thing that I want to talk about is the sales copy. Because y'all know, if you got a class, you got a masterclass training, you need the sales copy to actually sell it to people. So I've included all of that. This is sales copy for the Brand You. And y'all, I know if you are anything like me, I struggle with writing the copy. I've included all of that for you in here. So you have the sales copy that you can use on your website. You also have the sales copy that you can use on your e-commerce store, or you can actually break this down and use it in your social media posts. Okay, so a great way to use it. There's so many different multiple ways that you can use this sales copy. And you know, I'm all about positioning yourself. This content is about branding. I'm about positioning yourself online so that you are seen as the expert. And that is why I include 4 articles or video content that you can use to position yourself every single week. So this content that I provided in these 4 articles, which I like to say that you can repurpose and use them in your podcasting, you can use them in your video content. If you're doing Clubhouse, you can do that. You can take this content and use them and create short content such as reels or 1-minute videos. But everything that you need to actually position yourself as the expert under the subject matter of personal branding is all included in these articles. So you get 4 Done For You articles along with areas that you like in red. It allows you to say, you know, what you need to say if you want to use this as video content. If you don't want to use it as video content, you can remove the red area and then you can just copy and paste it on your blog as is, right? And you can drop some images. You can make this really fancy. If you are even ready to take it up another level, you can combine these 4 articles and create a ebook with them. Yay! It's all, you know, guys, I'm all about repurposing something. All right, so let's go on to the next thing. Now, we always need to build our list. And so what has been really popular lately is doing challenges. So I've included another challenge for you. And this challenge is You Are the Brand. It's a 7-day challenge that you can use email, right? So if you're not a person who wants to show up on video, this can be all email. So this can be an email challenge that takes them through day 1, day 3, all the way to day 7. They just opt in, and you can copy and paste this inside of your email and automatically send them this every single day. Now, again, if you're ready to step up and take it to another level, you can also do a free Facebook group and deliver this content inside of that free Facebook group for the next 7 days. And another thing that I absolutely love about these challenges is that every day I give you the opportunity to promote your next offer. So if you're selling something at the end, all the things that you need to say, how do you move them to the next level, is all included in this 7-day challenge. So cannot wait to see how you use this 7-day challenge, because again, if I have not said it, I'll let you know that all content inside of the Done For You bundle is on trend. This is what people are asking for. This is what they're searching for. So when you deliver this next month, 2 months from now, this is going to be a content that people actually want to buy and purchase. And again, content may be on trend, but it's also evergreen, meaning that you can use it whenever. So maybe you don't use it this month, but you can use it next month or next year. It is still going to be content that can be used over and over again. Lastly, but not least, is the Done For You Canva graphics. As you can see, I've included these beautiful graphics that you can use and repurpose as your own. You can just change the branding. All of the content on these graphics are related to the brand new Done For You bundles. So again, you can go in here and change them. You can change the colorway. Again, these are absolutely graphics that get shared a lot on my page, so you can use them. Again, there's a graphic that actually can promote the masterclass. You've got interactive quizzes, you got quotes, you got infographics. All of these things are going to help you stand out and position yourself as the expert around this subject. So all you have to do is click here. It takes you to the Canva template, and again, you can change it and upload it and make all the changes that you need related to your brand. So that's it for this month's Done For You bundle. Enjoy. You guys have an awesome and blessed day.